let's do justice to this question. So now, if you consider both mass, now brackets come first. But now we have different types of brackets. We have curly brackets, we have square brackets, and we also have parentheses. They're all brackets, right? But then this one comes first, then we'll have this, and then we'll have this. I'm just setting the hierarchy here. So now what will happen is that we solve what is inside these parentheses, I mean inside these curly brackets first, and then we extend it outside. So let's solve. We have this, we have 8 plus 6 times 2 is what? 12. So we can actually convert this to bracket now because we're done with the curly brackets, with the square brackets. Or let me put it this way. So minus, we have 9 divided by 3. Sorry, bracket first. So have 3 times 4. So now we also deal with the curly brackets, I mean the brackets here first before we do this one. So we say 8 plus 12, we have 20 minus 3 times 4. So 20 minus 3 is what? 17. Because we are still dealing with brackets. We do brackets before we do multiplication. So we have 17 times 4. So 17 times 4 will give us 68. Is the answer. Bye.